guys doing? Officer Corral, Pasco Police's traffic stop has been recorded. All right, guys, have a good day. Yep. Hey. Hey.
Get him out.
Hey, let me see your hands.
People, put your hands here. Hands.
Don't make any sudden fucking movements, dude. There's a baby right here.
You put that kid in danger.
Now.
You put that kid in danger.
Turn the fucking car off. Turn the car off.
Ma'am, shut the car off.
Hey. Hey, man.
Cool, guys.
Hey, just so you know, these guys got guns drawn. They're yelling in the back of the car. I think they're trying to get in here.
I know. I understand that.
Put your fucking hands up now. Put your hands up.
Oh, please.
Hey, open that door. Hey, go and open that door.
Dude, you have to get out of my car. You have to get out of my car.
Hey.
Listen, you need
Hey, hold on. Hey, he has something right there.
Let me get my baby.
Hey.
Put the gun down. Gun. He had a gun.
Shots fired here, guys. Shots fired here.
Hey,
Put the gun down. He had a gun.
put your fucking hands up. Put your fucking hands up. Put your fucking hands up. Keep your hands up.
Go. Get out of here. Get out of here. Try to grab that gun. I'll fucking shoot you. You understand? You understand?
He's right here. He's shot. He has a gun on him.
Yeah, he still has the gun?
Yep. Do you understand? Hey, listen to me. I'm gonna reach over. I'm gonna grab that gun away from you. If you freaking move, I will shoot you. I don't know if he still has another gun or not. Do you understand?
I'm gonna move this. You hold on and
I got him.
bring it one more guy up.
Yep. We'll yank him out of the car. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. If you reach for anything, I will shoot you in the head. Do you understand?
You're gonna take primary cover on that side. Ready?
I got him covered.
Okay.
Rip him out. Get him cuffed.
Got the car. Ready, got cuffs?
Got him. Get him cuffed. Where you hit at?
He's hit right in the stomach.